in the previous video, we print out this empty board. Now, let's continue to populate all our pieces, 32 of them, right? Let's deploy all of them. So, what we can do is here, right? After we create the game, we can call game.reset, right? And now inside this one, let's go to check, right? So command click and jump to definition. What? Go to, yeah, here you see we insert all the initial 32 pieces, right? Okay, so now how can we print out then all of them here? So instead of adding, right, appending dot blindly, we need to add a condition, right? Something like let's check if there's a piece here. If let piece equals p set, we have a p set, right? Colon and a row. So if it's nil, we just append the dot like before, right? Otherwise we need to check its rank, right? And the color, of course. So let's switch piece dot rank. Okay, so now we have 7 cases, right? Dot, we'll start from king and king. So how can we handle king? So we'll append depending on its color, right? Piece dot is no. Do we have that? Oh my god, we still need to add one. Do we? Yes, we need to add one to differentiate the player. Oh, okay, so that's comment out the code here for now. So to make it compile, yeah, you see when the needs come, right, we have to add, for example, yeah, most important is color, right? So what's the data type for that? Int string, like what's the name? Color int. If we use int, it means we can use, right, for example, 0 represents say red, and 1, for example, for what? For black. That's one option, right? Another option is we can just string, well, we can use string, so we can just use this for red player, right? And the black for black player. But that's not the best, because there's only 2 options. So the best data type is Boolean. Now, so for example, true for red, right? False for black. Is this name good or not? It's not the best, right? So what about this red? This is much better, right? So we don't need to come back to check the document, right? Documentation to see, oh, red, true means red. And Apple engineers like to use is red, which is, yeah, let's follow this style. Okay, now we don't need that, right? It's obvious. Now we have a lot of comparison error to fix. So this one is B means black. Okay, so it's false. False. Okay, so this B is also. Oh, we need that. So B false means. Now this one. Let's insert that. This one, this one is also B, so false again. Okay, and we have other combination error to fix, right? And I think it's in a reset. So here, command B. Yes, so annoying now. And the line gets longer and longer. So what's this? This is for black. Okay, so black is false. Okay, so let me copy this part here. Yes, and put for all the black. So here, like that, black, and black. Now I become smarter. Rank, so it's here, and here. No, not that one. What about he's red. Okay, so the other one here is true, right? This one should be true. No, wrong place. Here, true. Okay, so now let me copy this guy. What? Yes, so put it here. No, I need to copy that. So here and here, red. Here, red, and red again. Now the last one here. Okay, so here it's not true, right? It's moving piece dot is red. Does it compile now? Compile. Nice. Now with that ready, we should be able to come back to here, and piece dot is red, right? If it's red, then we use lowercase, otherwise we use capitalize, uppercase. So this one, king. Okay, let's use K for king. Red, no, lowercase, and here uppercase. That's it. So let's make a copy of this guy. Why it looks like that? Another one, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so highlight of them, Control I. Yes, so it's not king. The second one is warrior. So let's use W here, and uppercase, bishop, and B, and uppercase B. This is knight. So let's use N for that, because K was used by our king. So this is a rook. Okay, so we can use R uppercase R. What is this? Canon, right? So C, and here's that, the last one, pawn. Yes. So lowercase p, capitalize P. Is it? Okay, now let's give a try. Run it. Ta-da! Cool, right? So okay, now let's show how to do a real test instead of just printing. Okay, so printing, yeah, test empty. That, dude, this doesn't make sense, printing. Okay, so it's not a normal one. But anyway, let's leave it there. A real test is like test the game board. Okay, test the game board. So instead of printing, we can assert it's empty. Like for example, let's assert here, there's no piece here. Okay, piece is empty here. So we can say XCTAssert nil. Okay, so we can do game dot piece at, right, 0 0, right? So here before we reset is empty, this. Okay, now let's run it. This one, let me do it again. Oh, it failed. Oh, I know why. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so now you see why the testing is variable, right? Now we know it's not empty because in this initializer, let's go there to see, jump to definition. You see, initializer, we already called reset. Wow. I immediately, right, caught the bug. So it means it's not nil. So we don't need this one, right? Let me comment out that to see the printing of the game. Yes, you see, nice, because all the pieces are already there. So it's not nil, and we don't need this. So that's uncomment that one. And nil, now this one should be nil, right? Colon 0 row 1, colon 0 row 1. Okay, now let's do it again. Yeah, test succeeded, you see. Now let's add another test case for 0 0. Okay, so if we do that, it will fail. Command U to test. What? I didn't mean that. I mean this one. 0 0. Okay, command U again. It's convenient. So yeah, this failed. So we need to XCTAssert not nil. Now do it again. Command U. Yes, right? And now we can add another test case. Test move piece. Okay, move piece. So we'll copy, yeah, this one, yeah, copy all of them here, and print game. Now let's make a move. Okay, game dot move piece from, let's move 0 from 0 0 to 0 1. Okay, 0 1. We'll move this rook, right, black rook, to from here to here. Okay, let's print it here. Okay, let's see. Let's remove this one because it's annoying if we print out too much. So we run both of them. Command U. You see this guy, right? So we can assert there is a piece, and the original place is gone. So copy and paste, right? Like that. Cool, right? So we can, yeah, if we run it, command U, it will fail, right? Because the piece is moved, so we need to switch those two assertion like that. Now this is not nil. Command U again. Yes, we just showcase, right? This one. Actually, we don't need our human eyes to guarantee this logic. So normally we don't keep this thing in our testing code. Command U again. If we passed, if yeah, it passed, yeah, test succeeded. Everything is green here. Nice. See you next time. Thank you for watching.